I about fell off my chair when I saw the closing on Aduro today. Up 8%? What's wrong with you guys? Did you forget about the sell button on the 4th of July or something? What's going on? I thought we were only supposed to be selling microcap stocks. I am very, very confused. I got something to share. So, PureCycle Technologies, last 6 months, from April 24, 2023, to today, the stock is up 116%. 116%. The market cap of PureCycle Technologies, which is in the same space as Aduro, is almost 1.9 billion. Okay? Now it's trading on NASDAQ, but it's 1.9 billion. Let me say, yeah, almost 1.9 billion. So 1.9 billion. It went up by almost $1 billion in a matter of 2 months. Now we're in a recession. We are in a recession. We are going into the biggest recession than the humankind has ever seen. It is going to be so bad that it's going to wipe out the humanity. That's how bad it's going to be. And PureCycle Technologies went up by almost $1 billion, okay? That is 20 Aduros. 20 Aduros, okay? Because Aduro has a market cap of about 50 million US. So PureCycle went up the amount of 20 Aduros in a couple months, okay? Now, you must be asking, their financials must be amazing. They must be swimming in cash, free cash flow, revenues might be going through the roof, balance sheet must be clean as I don't know, dishes that you take out of the dishwasher. Let's have a look. Income statement from 2020, 2021, 2022. There is no revenues. Zero revenues. The company lost $85 million in 2022. Now, you might think that I'm criticizing PureCycle. I am not criticizing PureCycle. I am not saying that PureCycle should not be worth in the market what it is. I am not criticizing. I am giving you facts. What the market is assigning to some companies on NASDAQ during a time when we are going into the worst recession that the humans has ever experienced, right? I feel like we live in two different worlds, okay? The companies that are on the secondary exchanges, and then the companies on NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange, okay? Two different worlds. So, zero revenues, zero in 2022. Now, what about the balance sheet? Well, as of December, and I'm looking, I know there's a quarterly that came out, but I'm looking at a yearly, right? So they had cash of almost 64 million, and they had debt of 233 non-current debt, right? If PureCycle was trading at TSX Venture or Canadian Stock Exchange, people would lose their shit. People would lose their fucking shit that this company has debt and has no revenues. It would be Armageddon. And yet on NASDAQ, the stock is up over 100% in a few months, okay? And it is up 20 Aduros. This is the reality that we're dealing with. completely different realities, right? No revenues, lots of debt. They have no problem assigning almost $2 billion to a company like this. But for our companies that are very close to profitability, with revenue, a little bit of debt, they are losing their mind.